Hello and welcome to My Bird in Year. We often get spells of very windy weather here during autumn, so a few weeks ago I moved the bird feeders in the garden to a more sheltered position next to the apple tree. The birds soon found the feeders again, with a small flock of long-tailed tits the first to arrive just a few hours later. There were 6 birds in the flock, and most of them were juveniles, almost certainly from the same brood. Long-tailed tit fledglings leave the nest after a couple of weeks and usually stay together to forage for food. They seem to be doing a circuit of the gardens in the neighbourhood and came back every half an hour or so, their arrival heralded by the high-pitched twittering calls they use to keep in touch with each other. Although they were the first to visit, the long-tailed tits didn't have the feeders to themselves for very long. They were soon joined by other species, like the House Sparrow and Coal Tit in the bottom left of your screen, and the Blue Tit that appears later in the video. Moving the bird feeders to their new position seems to have worked out well. In addition to giving some protection from the wind, the apple tree provides a perch while the birds check if it's safe to feed, and also gives them cover to dart to if they see a potential predator or hear an alarm call from other birds in the garden. I'll leave you with a minute or two more of these very endearing long-tailed tits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.